YouTube, welcome back guys. So today we have another Nike. This one is Air Jordan. I believe it's the mid-top Chicago colorway. So anyway, my son copped this, and then I overslept again. So let's go ahead and check out this item. I'm not sure what size it is, but we're just gonna go along with it. Alright, so let's go ahead and do this. So let me give you guys a 360 view of the box real quick. So this is all red box. Got the Nike with the swoosh logo and then two other registered trademarks. And then right here you got the same thing on the side. And right here the same thing. And this is made in Vietnam. Got another Nike swoosh again. And this is what's it look like on the bottom. Got the Jumpman, Nike Air. And you got this black sticker again. And then you got the recycle symbol right there. Box made in China. So this one is US size 9. So this one is the woman's Air Jordan 1. Oh my bad, this one is the high OG. So the retail price on this is $170. So this pair is already sold, so got the Nike logo right there. And then there's a stamp with the red numbers on there. And then here's the swoosh that is upside down. In case you guys want to do something to check. Wow, look at that. Very nice. The tongue looks like a nylon and satin red color. You got the Nike swoosh Air on the top of the tongue. And you got the black lace that's on there already. Wow, look at the toe box. And then you got this special texture right here, like a croc on the swoosh. The back of the heel cup. And then right here, you got the MACDADDY Jordan wing logo right there. And again, this is more like a satin color, even on the inner lining right here. And you got the black outsole with the Nike swoosh. Let's go and then check out the tag and take out the shoe tree first. Got the 字 in Chinese character. You got the Jumpman, and then the recycle logo right there. And the bottom it says 7-7.5. pretty sure that's a men's size. And then you got the die cut sock liner. And then on the midsole or the insole it says Nike Air. Let me turn on the flash real quick so I can zoom in this. Alright, so yeah, let's go and then check out the tag. And then it says manufacture date March 4th, 2020 or April 16, 2020. And this one is made in China. I thought it was made in Vietnam. Alright. And it comes with two other extra laces. You got the red lace and then it's like a cream off-white color. Go and then check out the other side. Yeah, so this is like a satin finish. You can see almost like a little reflective. It's not reflective, I don't think so. Oh, this one is stick on, but look at the inside. It's, they tape it like that, the threading. I'm not sure why they always do that. It looks like it's unfinished. So yeah, drop a comments on below and then see what you guys think or see if you guys cop this pair. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, then on the bell for notification, or drop me in the comments on below. And thank you for watching. I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.